The 2018 Accord takes an entirely new approach to performance by featuring 3 advanced new powerplants, 2 direct-injected and turbocharged 4-cylinder engines and a 3rd generation of Honda's 2-motor hybrid powertrain technology. The 2018 Accord also features a new Honda-developed 10-speed automatic transmission, 10AT, with a 2.0-liter turbo engine, the first of its kind for a front-wheel drive car, and an available 6-speed manual transmission for both turbocharged engines. The new 1.5-liter, 16-valve direct-injected turbo with dual variable timing control, dual VTC, produces a peak 192 horsepower, HP, at 5,500 revolutions per minute and 192 pounds-to-foot of torque from 1,500 to 5,000 revolutions per minute, up from 185 horsepower at 6,400 revolutions per minute and 181 pounds-foot at 3,900 revolutions per minute on the existing, normally aspirated 2.4-liter model. The new 1.5-liter turbo is mated to a Honda continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, or, in sport trim, to a CVT or a 6-speed manual transmission, 6MT. The Accord can also be equipped with a new 2.0-liter 16-valve direct-injected turbo with IVTEC registered valve train paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission or, in sport trim, to the 10AT or an available 6MT. The new 2.0-liter turbo, sharing much of its design with a race-bred 2017 Civic Type R, produces 252 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 273 pounds-foot of torque from 1,500 to 4,000 revolutions per minute, compared to 278 horsepower at 6,200 revolutions per minute and 252 pounds-foot at 4,900 revolutions per minute for the 3.5-liter V6 that it replaces. Both turbocharged engines utilize a host of new technologies, including high-efficiency low-inertia turbos, variable valve timing, low-pressure loss air intake and high-accuracy direct injection, to deliver immediate and powerful response along while still anticipated to receive top-level fuel economy ratings. The 2 new automatic transmissions, the CVT for the 1.5-liter engine and new 10AT for the 2.0-liter engine, take greater advantage of available torque while maximizing quietness and efficiency during highway cruising. The redesigned CVT has an 11% lower ratio compared to the current version for more powerful launch performance, while the new 10AT is 22 pounds lighter, has a 68% wider overall ratio range with a 43% lower first gear, and a 17% taller top gear compared to the current Accord 6-speed automatic.